Today, I'm unboxing Huawei's latest watch, the Watch Fit 4, for everyone. In terms of color, the one I have is called Active White. To be honest, I prefer the Phantom Zero color. Currently, except for the Phantom, which is priced at 1049 yuan, the other models are priced at 949 yuan. Unlike the Watch GT series, the Fate series, its design is a compact square-shaped watch. The watch is now in front of me. The head of this particular watch appears to be quite compact. When compared to a round watch, the visible area of this square watch's interface is noticeably larger. Let's examine its charging structure, which is what I am most concerned about. Additionally, the strap is also remarkably lightweight. It genuinely did not disappoint me. Concerning the accompanying accessories, there is simply a data cable together with a charging head. Now, let's take a closer look at the Huawei Watch Fate 4, where the quality of the watch's bezel feels remarkably outstanding. As soon as I picked it up, it felt very slim, and I checked that it's only 9.5mm thick, so it doesn't feel heavy on the wrist. Looking at the front of the phone, the overall texture is quite outstanding, and it feels very lightweight. The screen also appears very clear and transparent. The craftsmanship of the side buttons is exquisite. The most noticeable improvement from the previous generation, Fate 3, is the much narrower bezel. Unlike before, when it was wide enough to park an aircraft carrier, the progress is significant. Regarding its wireless charging on the back, I like it because electromagnetic charging can rust over time, causing charging issues. This watch costs under 1,000 yuan. Competitors, whether a few hundred yuan or over 1,000, all use magnetic charging. At Honor, only the Pro version provides wireless charging. You can see that Huawei is still full of sincerity. In terms of weight, the body is 26 grams, and with the strap it is only 50 grams, which can be considered very lightweight. As for the strap, even though mine is 1.3 by 21 cm, I personally feel that it's a bit narrow, and when used, it might actually be more suitable for women, giving a more delicate appearance. As for the other features, I will provide a detailed explanation in subsequent reviews. Overall, compared to the previous generation, this time's Fit 4. The improvements are quite significant, especially in the noticeable design and appearance aspects. Alright, this wraps up the video. If you liked it, please follow, like, and comment. Thanks. Bye.